You ready?
Yeah. Are you getting on the roof?
No, I'm not getting on the roof.
Okay. Good.
What does that have to do with anything that we're here to do?
Well, I was taking a look coming this way to see what it looks like, and we really only have
By the way, we're here to come up with a what?
some sort of construction plan.
We're just winging it.
I think we're in good
Let's walk
shape.
it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, baby. We're gonna put together a construction plan, safety plan. So we have about 22,000 square feet, roof replacement. I think this is a good, drawing a blank here, help me out.
Staging area?
Staging area, that's exactly what I was looking for. The one day. So we're doing a walk around just to see the lay of the land, see if there's anything we need to protect, like these AC units right here. As debris is coming down, that we protect these AC units, because then you have your Freon and the coils. And this has happened before. See the fans? It looks really slow, but it's spinning actually super fast. If a nail falls in there, potentially it could launch it into the perimeter lines and puncture one of the Freon lines, and then we're screwed. We've had that happen once before. I think we paid like $1,500 to get it repaired and new Freon R22, which you can't find. I think it's R22. Of course, Jesus is always on his phone, like always. You know, what's that?
The staging area?
Yes, sir.
I have to find out what day their trash day is.
Look at how many units there are. So we're gonna have to deal with this many tenants, and you know, they're coming in and out randomly. So up here is a TPO flat roof. Well, this is the entry, the main entrance here. Not too bad. We won't be spending too much time here. That's the main entrance. The good thing is that it has that flat roof, which not much debris will be coming down, which is a good thing, because they can use this area to come in and out freely. So far, so good. I'm sure it'll change like 5 times by the time we get started.
Yeah.
Could be. So after we assess the entire property, we'll go back to the office. We'll go to the drawing board and come up with a few suggestions and plans, and then bring it up to our client of our staging and plan of action for safety and the schedule for the phases on a regular, per day. Where are we going to be? So this is roughly 22,000 square feet of roof. It's really 240 squares of roof that we're removing. So it's a lot for one shot, or for a building. Kind of like these bigger projects, because it's like, I don't know, about 4 or 5 50 square houses. So pretty neat. Okay, so pretty much this is going to be our staging area so far. We might take up some of these spaces over here and ask them to move these vehicles. Thoughts, questions before we sign off for today?
It's gonna be a good project.
It's gonna, Any fears?
None.
No fears?
No. Never.
Concerns?
None. None.
It's pretty confident. Okay. All right. How many days do you think this is gonna take?
2 weeks.
I don't think so.
A week?
He said 2 weeks. I said no way. It's a 4-on-12, 230 squares. We can't get all hands on deck because then we can't get the other jobs done.
Yeah.
So
But even still, I would say probably a week, maybe.
probably a week without rushing things. All right. There you have it. There's our full walkthrough. Any last words?
See you when it's done.
All right.